Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Red Smoke Adaptive. Today we're in Holt, Michigan at the Esker Landing boat ramp, or also known as the old gravel pit and also Cedar Lake. We're going to get a few miles in today and do a ride down to where the trail ends for phase 1. Sky is overcast, but we can get a few miles in today and make it worthwhile. So join me as we go along. And here we are at the end of the trail. As you can see, it stops at College Road. This is the end of phase 1. Phase 2 will cross over College Road and we'll go down to US 127 and have a crossing over 127, so you could ride all the way into Mason. This is an extremely smooth trail and I love getting out on it. And I can't wait to see the extension. Thanks for watching my video of me riding out on the trail. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And thank you again for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.